Hey everyone, today I will show you how to delete YouTube Shorts on PC and mobile. And here's how it's done. Open the YouTube mobile app on your iPhone or Android device. Ensure you are logged in into the YouTube account that uploaded the short you want to delete. Tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Select View Channel to access your channel's content. Tap the Manage Videos button located beneath your channel name and description. On the Manage Videos page, select the Shorts option to filter and view only shorts you have uploaded. Find a specific short you want to delete. Tap the three dots next to it to open a menu. Select Delete, and YouTube will confirm if you are sure about deleting the short. Tap Delete again to permanently remove the short from your channel. And that is everything you need to know about how to delete YouTube Shorts on PC and mobile. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.